Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create bubble chart in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have data, product list and total price. To create bubble chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group and bubble chart, just click on the bubble chart option and here you can see the bubble chart. Okay. Simply click on the bubble chart and here you can see the one bubble chart is inserted. Okay. You can see in vertical showing the total price, in horizontal showing the product name. Okay. If you want to increase the size, you just drag the corner point, you can increase the size. If you want to change the chart style, go to the chart design tab. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and just keep cursor on the every chart style and you can see the preview of the chart style. If you want to apply this chart style, you just simply click on it and you can see the chart style is applied. Okay. If you want to change the chart title, simply click on it and you can just use this backspace and delete key to delete the chart title. And you can add here the new title easily. Okay, just enter it. Okay. If you want to change the layout, simply click on the chart and go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the quick layout option and here you can see the different types of layout is available. See the preview in chart, see the preview. Okay. You just check the preview and you can select the different layout also. See the preview is showing the different way. Okay. So I select this one. Okay. So this is a way you can change the layout also here. If you want to move chart in another sheet, you can easily move it. Just go to the chart design in location group, click on the move chart option. And here choose where you want the chart to be placed. Choose the second option, object in sheet number 1 is default selected. Just click on the drop down arrow and select the sheet number 2 and click on OK. And here you see the sheet number 2 is a chart is inserted. And sheet number 1, you can see the only data here showing. In sheet number 2, chart is showing. If you want to change the chart type, simply click on the charts and go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. Change chart type. You can select here the any chart. So here I select the here and scatter chart, different chart of the bubble chart. So here I select the simple selected chart is showing the simple bubble and I'm going to change the chart type in 3D bubble chart. Okay, just click on it and you can check here the preview and after that click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the 3D bubble chart is changed. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.